Meet the Eagle ETT-8X Tug, a compact powerhouse designed to move small and mid-size aircraft with ease and precision. Perfect for FBOs, corporate flight departments, and general aviation. Here's why the ETT-8X stands out and how Pilot John International and Eagle help your operation stay flight ready. The ETT-8X features a robust electric motor that delivers up to 8,000 pounds of drawbar pull and a towing capacity of 115,000 pounds. Whether it's a quick reposition or a precision tow, this tug has the muscle you need, along with the eco-friendly benefits of an electric power, reducing noise and emissions on your ramp. With four-wheel drive and four-wheel steer, the ETT-X lineup gives operators responsive maneuvering and a 135-inch turning radius. Lithium-ion and lead-acid battery options are available. The high-capacity battery options ensure long operational hours so your team spends less time recharging and more time getting the job done. Safety is paramount. The ETT-8X has built-in safety features, including an emergency stop in front and rear, seatbelts, a four-wheel split brake system, and all LED lighting. It is designed for safe and secure handling. Why choose the ETT-8X? Its combination of power, reliability, traction in all weather conditions, and compact size make it a perfect choice for versatile, efficient ground handling. And with options like cabin heating and custom paint, it's adaptable to your specific needs. When it comes to keeping your operations smooth, the ETT-8X delivers unmatched efficiency. Contact PJI's aviation specialist today to learn how the ETT-8X can help you and your team be ready for takeoff.